Hello, my name is Nelson. This video is for the hands-on knowledge workers wanting to gain the additional analytical skills for building a great mission-critical system. Business analysis was our second topic of this series. This is the third topic. In this short video, we're going to find out how business process modeling can be done in conjunction with business rules when communicating and improving current business process. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Processing model is about using simple notation to represent a process graphically so it can be visualized, analyzed, and improved. Albert Einstein said, "You have to learn the rules of the game, and then you have to play better than anyone else." The importance of business rules cannot be overemphasized. In my opinion, a process without business rules is like a body without a soul. Every unique business must have its own unique business rules. Therefore, it is essential to describe the process with its business rules along the way. We shall define the purpose of process modeling, followed by the benefits. Then, knowing that flowcharts can be an excellent way to communicate a process, we shall dissect a process to see what notations we can use to demonstrate a process. Before adding business rules to a process, we need to know that there are 4 and only 4 types of business rules, and we shall discuss each of them later. They are constraint, inference, computation, and action rules. Process modeling defines the execution flow behind a business event, integrating with rule and data logic. When communicated well, every member on the team would have a clear understanding of the process flow. There are numerous benefits in process modeling. They are align IT and operation with new business strategy. When the business process is visualized, it can easily be changed to match any new initiatives. Enhance process communications and make training extra easy. It can even be self-explanatory. It can also improve control and consistency. Competitive advantage can potentially be gained by fine-tuning operational efficiency. A process can be broken down into 5 components: event, activities, decisions, rules, and connections. The oval shape can represent an event, most notably the start and end of a process. Activities or action can be represented by a rectangle. Decision can be represented by a diamond shape with multiple ins and outs. Business rules can be represented by a round rectangle. The connections are just simple one-way arrow. This is a funny example just for laugh, but it is a good illustration of how a process can be visualized. Each business rule needs to be atomic, meaning that it cannot be broken down any further. There are 4 and only 4 types of business rules, no more, no less. The constraint rule stops the user or actor from doing something. The inference rule state that if the condition A is either satisfied or unsatisfied, then B is true. The computation rule is just mathematics. For example, A plus B equal to C. The action rule is a rule that would trigger some activities under specific conditions. These activities can be actions within the system or interactions with other systems. To illustrate a constraint rule, try this. If the invoice date is in the future, stop processing immediately and inform the user to retry using a date less than or equal to today's date. An inference rule can be if the volume of sales is within 10% under, say, 5,000 units, notify the user that a 5% discount is available if the purchase is over 5,000 units. This is typical in an upsell situation. Any formula can be considered a computation rule. The example we use here is the total invoice amount must equal to the sum of its detailed amounts. This action rule gets triggered when user click the email button. It would package the invoice as a PDF attachment and email to the email address of the respective customer. These are the takeaways. A process can be documented via graphical representation so that it can be visualized, analyzed, and improved. Process models are primarily about flow of work tasks. Business rules are about reasoning and logic. When used together, the business can be analyzed and improved easily. These are the references for further reading. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we shall find out what systems analysis is all about and witness how useful it can be in developing a database application.